Hello, second grade. Welcome to your first week of distance learning. I'm so excited to get started. I'm going to take a moment just to explain how our distance learning is going to work. Every week, your schedule will be sent out on Class Dojo. Your schedule will look like this. You can see that there is a schedule and a checklist for each day. I want to go over each item with you and explain how we're going to be doing it. Every day there will be a new video on YouTube. So for example, the video for this day would be titled Monday, April 6th. You'll click that video and that will give you all the information you will need to learn for that day. I also want to draw your attention to the class code. The class code will have all of your assignments for that day in the class Kick. And all of those will be linked in the description box below. Everything you'll need there will be a link in the description. So every day on Class Kick, there will be a writing prompt, a reading assignment, and a math assignment. Every day, you also need to complete 20 minutes of reading. Also, every day you'll need to log into Study Island. There will be 2 topics on Study Island for the week, one for reading and one for math. For this week, we're going to be focusing on author's purpose and graphs. If you finish that before the end of the week, as you can see, there's time for each day. So if you finish that before Friday, you can go down and work on one of our enrichment projects, which I'll talk about in just a moment. In addition to Study Island, you'll be working on your spelling and vocabulary. This is very similar to how we did it in Centers every single day, second grade, so you should already know how to do this. You'll do 2 pages of spelling a day and 2 pages of vocabulary a day. And also, just like when we were in school, you'll be completing Reflex every day. I want you to get a green light in Reflex every day. Okay, now let's move on to our enrichment projects. So if you just cannot get enough distance learning from home, you can go to the enrichment projects, which will also be sent out every week. There will be new enrichment projects every week. So for example, some of these enrichment projects would look like writing a card thanking nurses and doctors, or watching an art video on YouTube. For reading, you could call a family member and read out loud to them. Or for math, you can focus more on making graphs by making your own graph. So these are just a couple of choices that are going to be on the enrichment project. Second grade, when you are completing online assignments, you can complete those on Class Kick, and I can get in and write back to you and give you feedback and help you. Don't forget, on Class Kick, there's a feature called Raise Your Hand. For spelling, I would like for you to take a picture of your spelling work and send that to me every single day. If you do an enrichment project, you can also take a picture of your enrichment project and send that to me via Class Dojo or via text message. Okay, second grade, please let me know if you have any questions, and I will be seeing you soon. Goodbye.